It all started with photography. I became interested in photography in my childhood and enjoyed creating interesting photos for myself and my friends. After that, I found out that photos can be even more interesting because there is a Picsart app that can help me improve my photos. In 2016, I started using Picsart. Then I found many ways to make my photos more interesting with the help of the tools on Picsart. I enjoyed turning all my ideas into reality. The people at Picsart recognized my talent and creativity, and in 2017 my account got verified, and that's when I became a part of the VIP program. Now I am a Picsart master. I tried to be better every day at editing. I researched all the tools in detail, so I improved my editing with the help of a desire to create something unique. The master program also helped me meet many good and unique people. Picsart has transformed my creative process because it allows me to show my creativity in unlimited ways and because it's the best all-in-one editing app. I started editing when my older brother showed me an edit he found on the internet and we tried to recreate it. We recreated that edit in Picsart, and then I got interested in photo editing. My favorite part of being a Picsart master is that I have the opportunity to test new tools before they are available to everyone. I found myself mostly into photo and video editing, so my focus is on those areas. I can't imagine a day without doing something interesting and creative. Something that makes me happiest is the positive feedback from people who follow me. So I love it when my photo edits and tutorials inspire others. As for hobbies, I like to work on myself by reading self-development books and exercising in the gym. I've always loved doing creative things like photography, photo editing and video editing. Picsart allows me to turn all my ideas into reality. Now I share my knowledge of editing with others on my YouTube channel through tutorials that I record with a desire to help others improve their photos and videos. My name is Luka and I'm here to share my creativity with people around the world through my photo edits and tutorials.